torches, you will never take my hide away. Jesus, see my fortress, you will never take my hide away. I can sit up in your presence forever. Every day feel like a lesson, I get better, better. Your word, my mind, that's what's keeping me together. Your word, my mind, that's what's keeping me together. Can't lie, took a little while to get my head right. Thoughts running train track through my mind every night. Can't believe I made it back. Some people don't make it back. Can't believe I made it back. Some people don't make it back. Now we where we left off. Checklist checked off. 3, 2, 1, hold on to something. This is lift off. I can't leave the world yet, still got a gift. I give it all. I was moving Peter Parker. I was really off the wall. I was really off the rails. I was really Tony Hawk. Demons tack up standing tall. Something like I'm Chris Bosh. I know that you paid it all. Can't believe you did it all for me. Please show me where you want me to be. I can sit up in your presence forever. Every day feel like a lesson. I get better, better. Your word, my mind, that's what's keeping me together. Your word, my mind, that's what's keeping me together. Crazy how I even made it where I am now. Back then I was moving goofy, now I stand out. Every step I make is calculated, planned out. You sleep if you think you'll catch me with my hand out. God can make a way. Can't lie, took a little while to get my head right. Thoughts running train track through my mind every night. Can't believe I made it back. Some people don't make it back. Can't believe I made it back. Some people don't make it back. Now we where we left off. Checklist checked off. 3, 2, 1, hold on to something. This is lift off. I can't leave the world yet, still got a gift. I give it all. I was moving Peter Parker.
All right, let's go.
I was really off the rails. I was really Tony Hawk. Demons tack up standing tall. Something like I'm Chris Bosh.
So just like we start every morning. We start in higher time frames and work our way down so we can find the setup. So we got price has been selling since the 20th, or this could be 21st, but price been selling. And we hit this level. Indecision if you want to go lower or not. Now we're at the bottom. Now we got to see what price is going to do. Is it going to hold? Is it going to hold the support to push us back up to this level? Or we're about to break it. Thoughts moving train track. Yeah, I'm really seeing much sides to sideways. What's interesting is this massive sell hitting the support level as well as coming into contact with the EMA. Coming in contact with the EMA as well. It could hold has really strong support to keep us from going lower. But those are only 2 time frames where we're above the EMA. From here on, like we're 60 minute, 15 minute, 5, even a 1. All these other time frames were below the 200 EMA. And like I said, people use EMA as support and resistance. So we could be looking at selling. We could be looking at selling. But the 4-hour EMA, there's more people shoot on the higher time frame. So all that to say is looking tricky. I got to be careful, especially with I think it was CPI Wednesday. Let me look. So we got nothing today. Tomorrow, orange folders. That's okay. And then we got tentative, which may not even happen. And Wednesday we got the fun rates. This is the the tax rate for the Fed. So we might be slow until Monday, or we might get early moves and then slow down. But this is where prices are going to jump. But yeah, coming down to the hourly. Oh, well, yeah, given Wednesday, that's when that massive news is coming in. Price is probably might continue this trend of being in this range of not knowing which way to expect the U.S. to go, or if we even get it, given the shutdown still. But it might be a gap here. Price seems to have created a level here. Just bought off of the equal wicks. Ended up breaking structure around this. Let's go lower. So since price has been selling, we could be looking to continue this sell trend. But like I said, we're at support, so we just gotta see what price is gonna do at the support. Got a million in the gold.
Alright, cool. Lord, please could you break these chains? Your children need someone to cry on. Lord, please can you pave this way? No weapon formed against shall try. God, I drop on the floor with this knee. Cause Father, you're the king.
Yeah, it seemed like this was a level of structure.
Give me your guidance, I scream cause I need you to.
All these equal levels here.
I'm on my knees, please. Break these chains off my brother's lives.
And it broke it with volume. Like first, it held as support a lot of times. Still holding as support, still held as support, still holding as support. And it took volume to blow through it.
Just know that the impossible possible. Let me see that smile now. Why worried for? Just know that when you stay prayed up, you're
So what we could look for is a Gravitas liquidity to retest this structure to continue selling. That will follow a retest of EMA as well. So we'll be holding this structure and EMA as resistance to sell us back lower, to sell us back down. 36 points. That's a good trade. Okay, so since now we have our where, we have the where we want to trade. We also have confluences. We see prices trending down. That's one. We have a resistance. That's two. We have structure. That's 3 with a breaker structure. That's 4. We have liquidity to target. It's 5. And what solidifies us taking the trade is when it comes back to liquidity with rejection candles. That would be like 7, because it went back, grabbed liquidity. That would be 6. Rejection candles, that would be 7. Also, if it rejects EMA, that could be another. That's 8. So we're looking at potentially 8 confluences trade, which is really good. The more confluences you can stack that's in line, that's not forced, the better the trade should be. So if we potentially can put 8 confluences on one entry with a good target, a good entry target and exit target, and the trade should be good. But we got to get there, because we could easily be completely wrong, given we've already hit the support, right? Support could end up giving a double bottom, start trading back. Who's in control could have already flipped by the time it gets back up there. So instead of sellers being in control, since we're leaving support, buyers could be in control now, targeting us as liquidity. Look how out of nowhere, massive volume. Well, let's see where yeah, there's literally nothing for us today. So massive volume just pushing in. And this is a level of liquidity that got grabbed. Bodies, a rejection, bodies, wicks, bodies, wicks. So this was a level that was holding as a support, but truly is just liquidity building up orders to go lower. Eventually took it out with volume, hit support, and now it's flying. Because truthfully, I don't know if we could have entered here. 13 points already. Going to our level, first level, 20, 24, 28.
There's no way that you're seeing success. Yeah, for real.
Why you won't slide with me? Why you won't slide to the east side? Why you won't slide to the east side? Why you keep calling me? Why you keep calling in my side? Why you keep calling in my side? Why you won't slide with me? Why you won't slide to the east side? Why you won't slide to the east side? Why you keep calling me? Why you keep calling in my side? Why you keep calling in my song? Reading, praying, crying every night. Ask you shall receive. So I'm asking why. 2020 vision bless my eyes. Somehow still can't see the lie. Can't vent cause all of this pride. Told the mirror we can take it outside. Unbought the receipt on what they sold me. They know they own me and now they think they know me. It's a whole lot of people in the room. God, only you can see through. Whole life I've been see through. Help me turn my heart to you. Help me keep my eyes on you. Help me turn my heart to you. Help me keep my eyes on you.
Cameras always rolling, yeah. I can't see me growing, yeah. His love, do I know it, yeah. I'm on that 25-8, running in circles, but straight is the way. I forgot to sit in all today. I forgot to take my wife on a date. I forgot to take my son on a walk. Starting to feel like a pillar of salt. Ain't supposed to look back, that's granular rock. If you is the fact, my opinion is not an option for you. When I wake up, tryna lock in for you. I don't wanna stop, but I'm stopping for you. Can you
Help me turn my heart to you. Help me keep my eyes on you. Help me turn my heart to you. Help me keep my eyes on you. Why you won't come with me? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you won't come with me? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you won't slide to the east side? Why you won't come with me? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you ain't coming to my side? Why you ain't coming to my side?
Why you ain't stopping me? Why you ain't stopping my side? Okay, so what weird? What do you mean? We're not even doing much. Like we said, we could have bought this entry if we was looking at the time frame. Could have bought this. Just a retest of this structure. That's all it is. Price hit the 1 minute EMA, so resistance is sitting there, but truly should keep going. So in theory, we could be able to buy again. All right, buy again. Take us up. In theory. But that's not the trade we're looking to take. Even though I'm kind of tempted to take it, truthfully. but not guaranteed. Not guaranteed that we're gonna break the EMA, even though as well as it looks really well. But that's not the thesis that we're going with. This is a break and retest of structure too. Didn't see that either. Just more structure sitting here. This one came, like I said, we could have bought. Same thing. So this was a lot better than it seemed at first glance. And she was here. Taking it back to the top. But like I said, it's going against EMA, so you never know. And we see, like I said, we see the EMA just holding that support. Holding as resistance. This level right here, level of liquidity. And this is why we don't just take trades that look well. This is why we stick to our plan. Because our plan had the most confluences to work out in our favor. This would have been a rushed forced trade. Price is moving, but it's still small time compared to the overall downtrend price has been going at. And so we formulated our ideal trade with trend, with this downtrend. And this was like, oh, this is a decent trade to take. It looks like it's going to keep going up, but that's going against our initial analysis. You just gotta stay true, stay disciplined. Gotta get to the point to rather to not take a trade than to take a trade, take a decent trade. We don't want to force. Granted, hit the same level. This level could be holding as support still. But we just in that boat of not knowing. Are we going to reject the same level in EMA again? If we do reject, this is going to be a harder rejection than this. Are we going to blow through? We just don't know. We don't really have a idea either, because they gave us two sales and 2 buys. We don't have an idea. We started going up, down, creating higher highs, higher lows, But now we're creating equal highs and equal lows. We can't really judge much from equal highs and equal lows. Yeah. See my eyes on the Lord, just trying to get my head right.
In the past, I was just trying to get my bread right.
Pop out new man.
Got them feelings, they all dead right. And I be deep all in that word to keep me fair right. All I need is just the Holy Spirit to keep me led right. You see the look right in my eyes. All that blood he shed for me, I had no choice to change my life. I just can't lie, all his love really caught me by surprise.
So I had to come on the inside.
For so long, I used to be hurting
On the inside.
I had some fake friends, but Christ, he had to switch mine. And I broke my watch, but I still know it.
In the end time,
And I'd be lying if I said that I wasn't
trying my best.
The way I'm walking out with God, I'm getting
Fly every step.
And I'ma rap and do my thing as long as God is impressed. I'm gon' slide with G.O.D. I can't even ride with the rest.
Cause I died from the old me. Time moving slowly.
While it was snowing. God had to pick me up and fix it, now it's holy. Now I'm hearing plenty words from people that don't know me. He took the plank right out my eyes so I can
Father, go and see.
I keep the scriptures in my hand, I told them demons they gon' flee. I walk with Christ, you know I'm stepping, gotta keep my shoes in peace. And the demons that we step on, watch them shoes don't have a crease. Having talks with my God about guidance, trying to forget my past.
But I'm constantly reminded.
Still traumatized, so sometimes I hear sirens. But I go search for peace, I know my Lord, the way to find it. But I be trying hard, gotta stay steadfast. Used to be trying so hard for first place.
Yeah,
All them false rumors in the world, always spread fast. I be trying to hit a demon hard to hit my bed last. Fast, cause I can't get no sleep until they rest. Yeah, I said it with my chest. Tell me how am I gonna ever lose with answers to the test? And that's the Bible, all the messages you need right in the text. I beat the odds cause you can't gamble with my God, and that's a bet. Tell them you can't gamble with my God, and that's for real.
Now 5 minutes has gone from looking real good to real tricky.
I've been on fire for the king, I ain't got time to ever chill.
Right. Massive volume, but then volume pushed back, and then it just died since she sell. Now we have a giant indecision candle. Prices hit the top, and now it's pushing back. Let's go back to the 5 minute. What is our? Oh, we're holding this. Okay, we're holding this as liquidity because structure came from up here. Okay. Because technically, we're using this as our target zone to sell from. That's fine, man. All right. Yeah. We're using this as our target 5 minute supply zone. Broke structure with volume. There's a buildup of liquidity for sure sitting here. So look at that in the 1 minute. That's too close. It's all the same. It's the same thing repeated over and over. Because if we look, just over here, structure, structure, structure. We got our sell. We have our zone. This is liquidity. It stopped right above the zone. Liquidity sitting here. As well. This liquidity sitting here. This is just on the 1 minute. So we have price coming down. It creates a level so it looks like it's holding as support. So price pushes up, grabs all this liquidity sitting above, it then sells off, breaking structure with volume. That creates our zone that creates our supply zone to look to sell from. Overall, and that's on the 1 minute, but overall, like we was on the 5 minute, we found this level holding as structure, holding as support. Price is holding. The liquidity it grabbed was the reason why we got this drop off. It went back to zone, holding liquidity, takes it out. It takes it out with a wick, but truthfully, it kind of just, I can't even get to it. But truthfully, it kind of just holds it, which is, that's a bit tricky. But it did grab it with the wick liquidity. I mean, grab with the wick. Broke structure with volume. So, off of breaking structure with volume, we just look for liquidity build to grab a liquidity, retesting our supply to sell from, which is what we're doing here. Broken structure, we're looking for liquidity build, which we got here. These equal lows to equal wicks. We're looking for a break of this liquidity, retesting our structure to sell. That's what we're looking for. It might be a bit tricky, like I said, because this wasn't. I mean, it's still forward, but I think everything is lining up. I think everything lines up correctly.
On the road, it's me and God up on this mission. And trust when I'm with him, I ain't gon' worry about nobody. It seemed like praising him really became one of my hobbies. I got tired of hustling, trying to get rich, it's like I'm Roddy. But I made it back to him, so he gon' always stay beside me. Oh, yeah. Praying that my days will get more clear. I be staring at my flaws right in the mirror, but the Lord will provide, and that's the same thing as saying Yahweh here. Might just take a trip to see the Jordan River, cause that's where they baptized Jesus. I'm trying to go to clean up all my spirit. I'm on top of faith, I'm not just somewhere near it. And if it ain't God, I promise ain't no way that I could fear it. No, I left you for a while, but I'm back now, and all I ask is if you stay by me. Yeah. And all I ask is if you stay by me. Yeah.
closer to you. I'm in my season, show what I needed. Make me new. I do not care what they saying now. I can't fake my food.
Gotta stay true. I know sometimes.
Got my heart again. Make me better, make me smarter, make me strong again.
Yeah.
Cause I had to learn it's not what it seemed. Brand new things I beat. Too many snakes in the grass. Too many wolf like sheep. If they was walking the path and following God, make sure you see their feet. Some might smile, but still don't show their teeth. If you've been praying for rain, how you gonna act in the drought? Righteous live by faith, if you live by faith,
In the
then you
square.
make it out. Some days harder than others. Some days just go south. But
All about moon.
I wanna do what you say, Father. I wanna do it your way. Family broken, know it hurts. They
No
gon' break
break
these
these
chains.
chains.
I don't care what you thinking. I know what he promised. We gon'
Make
make this
things
change.
change.
There's times I think I get through the week, but I
That's
knew
why I
I'd
make
make
it
it
one day.
There's times I think I get to the field, knew I'd get to the base. Still making a way, dog, serving, making a change. Shoot for the stars and land on the moon. Up in
Let's
space, I'm
keep,
looking
just
at you.
keep developing, right?
Father, I wanna live by the moon,
That
because
good
whichever
night.
is closer to you. I'm in my season, show what I needed. Make me new. I do not care what they saying now. I can't fake my fruit. God, I gotta stay true.
I don't wanna take
Got my heart again. Make me better, make me smarter, make me strong again.
I can also get my knight out to defend this square, so yeah. Defend this square. Then I can castle.
Not a word from you.
Far away from you. I don't wanna take. He's attacking my knight.
Got my heart again.
Develop.
God,
Queen.
live by the moon.
Didn't expect
Whichever
that.
is closer to you. I'm in my season, show what I needed. Make me new. I do not care what they saying now. I can't fake my fruit. God, I gotta stay true.
I don't wanna take. I think we're gonna queen push to castle.
Got my heart again. Make me better, make me smarter,
Or-
make me strong again. Cause
Or we can push. Or we can push queen. To threaten queen. Does that help? Not really, because this knight is hanging. So let's just defend both pieces. Offer the queen. Oh, offer the queen trade. And what's next? Just defend, not give up our piece for a pawn. He's starting this, but he needs to get his other pieces involved before this is a real threat. So I can't just castle defending this piece. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Just castle defend this piece. Because if he goes here, I mean, that really doesn't do much. I kind of want to put my rook, pin the king, force the castle one way, but I also want to defend and not let him jump here. Price is just falling. Price hit a, I guess it must have hit another level, I guess. Had buyers grab up all this, and it's enough to start selling. This is liquidity. The support is liquidity, so it comes here. I won't be surprised if it just continues falling through. And retests his support. Because on the 5 minute, it seemed like it just it hit this level, but it seems like a random level. Not with all this liquidity sitting up here. I mean, not with this, because liquidity can be supportive resistance. So to stop at this level when we have this sitting here is a bit interesting. But we'd have to see what price is gonna do. Okay, so they can't castle this way. They're doing something. Are they looking to trap me? Okay, they're definitely setting up. So now if I threaten, oh no. Okay. So now if I push up, threaten. Whoa. If I push up and threaten, he can just take. I mean, that's fine. I'll end up taking if he does that. More than likely, if I push up, he's going to leave one of these ways. So we can play pace because the knight can't go one of these two ways, and the rook, I mean the bishop's not doing anything. The knight can't go here. So let's just play pace. Let's start cutting this king off. You said what you think about God, I think you never leave me alone. So the knight, so I can't capture. He's probably, it seems like he's trapping my bishop. If I go here, we can end up pushing. I fall. He traps. I move. Just kind of just trap my bishop in a square. So I think the best move would just be to move back. Open up. Yeah, that's that move. Just in different order. Okay, so do I give up? No, I don't give up this. No. No, I don't give up this bishop. He's up material. He's, no, not for a pawn. This works. I wanted to cut this square off. And this doesn't work though. I can throw this knight. And this is my worst bishop because he's playing. All his pawns are on dark squares. All his pawns on dark squares. And so this is just constantly under attack, constantly stuck. So, yeah, let's do this. So now he's attacking and defending both. Very good move. I did not foresee that. And I can't move here. This is defended. So and if I check, he just takes it still. Okay. Let's just attack as well. I was thinking about checking again. But I should not. I should move back. Yeah. Because he can't attack me no more. No need to give up no need to give up both my pieces, right? Yeah, no need to give up both my pieces. He isolated his own pawn. He might be looking to redirect, but this don't seem good. Seems price held this structure. Good to see you. It is my best day. Yahweh. Say 37, we don't really have much. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that gap. What the heck? Is that on ES2? Yeah, look at that gap. That is a crazy gap. What? What? Why is that gap so huge? Why is that gap so huge? I got a problem because it's leading. It's probably going to get filled Wednesday. We'll put 9. Marquez gap. So good, so good. So gap is a point of interest. 1 second.
Truthfully, gotta tell him just in case he didn't know. I remember them times when I was down bad, when all I had was down to my last. You came in, changed all that, when all I had to do was pray.
Okay, let's get back to it. Yeah, it seems like price held the structure. People want to keep buying, but this is what I was saying earlier. Indecision. Let's look at it on a 5-minute. Volume, that volume was talking about, then started slowing, pushed up, came right back down. Now this looks like a rejection candle. It should be continuing up, but if we go down to 1 minute, it was very choppy to even break, and now it's looking choppy again. What is my wallpaper? Okay. Let's see. Because the price, see, like I said, this indecision. People are selling this level, which also lines up with it being with the EMA. So, okay, we just gotta wait and see. I got that bad time. Oh, right. I'm down material, but I think my positioning. I'm down material. That's why you put 5. But I think my positioning is better because I've completely cut off this line. So now he can't castle this way, as well as his bishop is still undeveloped. So what? But I don't have no knight, no bishop, which I got no knight, one rook. No knight, one bishop. Okay, pricing, breaking that level, hitting EMA again. If it's an equal sell, like this, sold and equal candle or equal candle bought, then this is still a rejection of this level. What should I do from here? If I end up taking, I'm just trading off a piece. I'll put him in check. But I'm just trading off a piece, which isn't good for me. I'm already down material. I need to make a tempo play with the material I have. He has this diagonal, so moving up just weakens my king, which isn't good for me. See, in price, like I said, this rejection. If it's equal, I'm pretty sure these are equal candles. They look equal to me. A 3.6. 4.1, almost equal. If there was a wick, this might have been equal. But it shot up and just like this, shot up just as fast as it shot up, it came right back down. This is still a rejection of this level and EMA. So price is still just sitting in this sideways zone. Okay, so do I have any checks? I have one check, but it gets captured, so not a worth check. Any other checks? I have another check, but I lost my dark square bishop that was defending this square. Oh, what? No, I made a move. No. Well, let's see. Was that open at any point in time? Okay, targeting that square. He blocks. Because he blocked, there was no chance because he's also defended. Dang it. I'll be right back.
And that's bold and that's my way. You don't get scared because you know God directing your ways. You gotta be assertive in all the things that you say. Breaking all these chains. If you gon' make your decisions, can't put trust in no man or nobody opinion. The one who made me only know the reason I'm living. He gave me the million. When he speak, I listen. I don't care what you got because you still need permission. I go straight to the king when I need something that's missing. That's the holiest privilege. You can't impress me. I got blessings on blessings. He turned L's into lessons. I said, where did the time all go? Dripping in quicksand, like where did the life all go? I need a lift, man. I can't stay down on the floor. Switching through seasons, like where did the time all go? Time all go.
Okay, I'm back. Price just pushed back up to the level. Just hitting EMA again. The 5 minute. It just looks how it looks. Look like it's forming a head and shoulders on the 5 minute. We can see that. What is doing? What it's doing? He's gonna Keep waiting. It goes to my point earlier. We're looking for price to get here. And like, if we took the best trade, entering here, off of a double bottom rejection, price didn't go here. It went from looking like a 13-minute trade to now we're 33 minutes in this trade still, with multiple instances. We went from up 10.7 to down a point. That doesn't feel good. Yeah, this drop did not feel good. And now we're 33 minutes in and price is selling up. Like, mentally exhausted. Mentally exhausted. Man, oh man. Okay, it hit this level. Is it gonna break the level? Yeah, is he gonna break this level or not? It's created the bottom early, so it might have room to go higher, especially with all this buying volume. This is just a bit of liquidity. People trying to sell this level still, but buyers may actually have stepped in. What do I do with this? I can just take it. Taking this, like I said, taking this helps me none. This is defended. Instead of destroying my structure, I can take and then pawn push. What does he do? Because this is still defending this square. This square is protected. This square is protected. I can pawn push this too. So yeah, we'll just take. Okay, he wants to trap. He wants to back range. Oh, that's tricky. Price, like I said, this sell off was just buyers in control now. So this was just building liquidity. People try to sell this level still. Price finally broke through, and now we're going up here to the top. The fact that she pushed this, trapping my pawn. If I just let this sit here, she for sure will take. She'll take and try to and really look at that. If I let her take, I can't move here. And then she's gonna try to jump the knight in. Or yeah, jump the knight in. I don't know how to get there, but anyways, push up. So now price has hit the first level. This is the area of liquidity. It could hold that support. I mean, it could hold as resistance for sure. And if it holds as resistance, then I'm just missing out. But I'm looking for price to take this out. Looking for price to take this out and give me a rejection up here. See, how does it look on a 5 minute? Does it still look good on the 5 minute? Yeah, it still looks good. Because I'm looking for a rejection of EMA in this zone. So I'm not entirely opposed to price just sideways here a little bit more. Because I don't see an area to sell from here. So now this is just trapped. So this can't go here anymore. Threatened to defend here. Now this is a target. This is a target square because it's the only way to get into my king. Which also means I can't move here anymore, so I need to move my king over. This is still defended. And they're defending both zones. I'm gonna leave my king here for now. Let's create some pressure on the other side. Yeah, price is selling. I don't really know what to do here, because this is still defended. And if I check, he can't move over one. He has to move over this way. So if I move here, because I can't move here either. I can't move to this square. Because I'm thinking, right, up, over, to, okay, what I'm thinking, up, over, but this is defended. But I was thinking check, because this is cut off, so double cut it off and put in check. But this is defended, so that doesn't work. Well, if it has one square to move to, which I need to get a pawn moving. The sell off. Now it might be holding EMA as support. It was holding as resistance first, but now buyers has really stepped in, so it might be holding as support now. Made you switch up on someone. Oh yeah, it might be holding as support now. So 5 minute, still looks like normal. Without our analysis in order, without our analysis of expecting price to go here, it looks the exact same. Reject this level, reject this level, reject this level. So we just continue to exercise patience. Because let's see, if I check now, what's the point of this check? It can't move this way, just force it this way. Just force into a bad position. This is a nasty pin. And that's not, no, it's not nasty now. It's pretty late. He doesn't have no backup. I have to keep this triangle, because the rook could come in and mess this all up. If I push up, he has one protection, but it's gonna be double threaded. Next, I'm thinking just push one, force him to make a move, or move my king over one. We'll just push. Too many choices. So now he's attacking and defending, which means he plans to move the knight. He's not going to move here for sure. He can move here. If I move here to block, that does nothing but sacrifices a rook. But this pawn is really crucial. And I can't give a check anymore because he's defending this. I move here. If he moves tonight, actually, if he moves tonight, this pawn is done for, which puts his rook in position. I mean, which puts his rook under attack. And I can possibly create a pawn, pass pawn. I got it. Okay. Okay. So moving my rook up 1. This is fine. This traps my... So moving rook up 1. Oh, he wants to rook trade. Okay. So I should have moved the other rook. No, I think he's gonna do that. If either way, I move the rook. Yeah, it's any rook move is just screwed. I should have moved my bishop. Because if I move back, he still just takes. I take. Which means I really got to get push pawn. I mean, it's fine. That's fine. I'm not upset. Bring the knight in. Bring the bishop in. This is just a stall move. For sure. She's still threatening. It's still threatening the same thing. Threatening to take. Let's see. So now I'm under double attack. I have 1. Let me just take. Man, I'm in a tough position. Because if I take, he takes. I take, he takes. This is bad positioning. Price finally pushed up. I thought I was about to stall again right here. I saw this candle red, but it's pushing higher. Volume, massive volume. I don't know where this volume. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. This is New York pre-open, New York pre-market at 9 o'clock. So massive volume has pushed us to the top of liquidity area. For me. So it's a healthy push up. Besides here, but this push, drop, push, drop, push, drop. It was a healthy push. If you would have believed in the buying. 14 went down to 5, almost lost 10 points. Went up to 18. Light might be holding top as resistance. I'm looking to sell Hime. I don't know if I can pull this game back. I think I have to trade off. Other thing, give up this file and really focus on the push pawn. That's the other thing I can do. Because they're still connected. I don't have to lose my piece. Okay, so which one? Is it you? Because what happens next? No, you can't move because you're defending this jump. This knight is still looking to jump here and here. You're defending these two. So it has to be push. No. It has to be push, push, take. Which leaves me with what? This being my pass pawn. We're looking to control this square. That's what's going on. Or do I control this file? Another rejection. Could be another liquidity up here. Sellers feel buys. Because if I push, and then he push, and I take.
A2000 EST, that's that OCOEE. Let it rain, open them floodgates. I just want the world to know that your love great. I grew up listening to shooters that don't pump fake, till I found out they ain't shooters and they pump fake. Lord, let your spirit fill my house till like feng shui. Even if my funds low or if my funds great, I give you my time in between a Sunday to Sunday. Kingdom on my body like it's Louis V. Every day I show it out to like the runway. Wanna find out why you here, it's only one way. Lord, I just need you here, I need you all day.
Okay, that was a big sell off. I need you to rain on me, Lord. I need you to. 5 points. I need you to rain. Wash away some dirty things and make it fade away. I need you to. Wow, the cells just keep going. 6.3. That's a big candle, dude. That's a big candle. It's gonna be okay. But they're rejecting the top. This is it can be expected. It can be expected. That's why I created a zone. Okay, the reason why I created, normally I would just be a line. The reason I created this in the zone, because we have equal bodies, which shows a strong level, as well as wicks hitting this level. But we also have equal wicks. Like these hit the same area. And as well as these are the same area. So there's also another level up here. So I just create the whole zone. Because we have this level for sure. We also have a level from here to here that's holding as well. So that's why I created the whole zone. And if we look at what price do, hit the first one, hit the second one. But we still waiting. We haven't got what we wanted. Like, this is to be expected. Like I said, these levels of liquidity hold as support and resistance until they don't. Cause look, this is holding. It's holding as support, holding as support, holding as support, holding as support, holding, and then it finally just breaks through. Same thing, holding as resistance, holding, finally broke through. It holds until it finally breaks through. I think, yeah, okay, so, we're back to whether to put the rook here or here. So I'm in control. So if I push, I'm just setting up to push this, which he could just sacrifice his knight, right? So I think the best bet is to put it here. Threaten this square. You also have a bishop that's in here. Man, I am under attack, dude. Also defending the bishop. The only one that's not doing anything is the knight, because he's defending this pawn. But this doesn't bother me. So what happens here? He takes. I can't take. I can't move here still. I can move here. Yeah, if I move here, I defend. He can move here, but I'll just take. Or he'll try to. Yeah, you can't sneak in because I'm just gonna take it. I move here. Yeah. He takes. Oh, that doesn't help me. If I move here and then he takes, how do I take this back? So I can't put myself in check. So do I need to trap my king itself? I move over. He takes. I take. Takes. So I can't do it. Try to show me up, but it won't work. 10 toes down on the word. Now he moves. Okay. Which now gives me the option to do this. Now he pushed back. Now he's threatening. And if I just move down one, he pushes the pawn, which still traps me anyway. If I move up one, he just takes. If I take, he just takes. I think it'll be better because no, this is defending. Oh, no. This is good. Because if I push threatening, he either takes my bishop and loses bishop, or he takes my knight. I mean, he takes with his knight, loses his knight, with his bishop still under threat. How does that work? If I push threatening, he can choose to take or defend. If he takes, he loses bishop. If he defends, I'm going to take his knight. He takes my bishop, and then I take his bishop. Oh, that's not a good trade for him. He lost a knight and a bishop for a pawn, and I just lost a bishop. Yeah, that's not, I'm down material, but these are stronger. I have to make this. Yeah, this is the best move. Now, this is not so bad anymore. This is not so bad anymore. Okay, we gotta keep you here though. Yeah. I thought after this it would keep falling, but I don't know what Price is doing. I don't think Price knows what it's doing. That is equal level. I have the equal level there, but we still just waiting. Yeah, this is not so bad anymore. Their attack is getting worse. Now, what's under threat? These two are under threat. You're still defending this pawn, and I'm still defending this square. But this is defended. This is defended. And you're not attacking anything else. This is attacking. Clearly, which means I need to move. I need to move. He lost his dark square bishop. So if I move here, and I can't wait too far. If I move here, threatening this piece, and I push up, threaten the knight, he just takes, right? But if I move here, and then threaten, what happens? For him to defend this, he has to reposition. He has to reposition his bishop. So if I move, he pushes to still threaten. That's if I move first. What if I move this first? He can go off the check. And then I just take it, right? But if I do this, he just takes. Well, hold on. If I push, he can choose to take to lose his knight. which then still creates this as a pass pawn. Rice seems to be using EMA as support. And we can't wait to.
I promise you he won't see 10 points. Shaq, it's halftime. I'm finna DM the point guard. Let him know he's clamped. And send. Promise you he won't see 10 points. I promise. Eat it. Hey, Kentucky Prez. Nah, I'm on him the entire game. Give me them Girl Scouts. Bye. Hey, come on. I'm giving him no breathing room. Give me that. No breathing room. Get it out. Get it out. I play Madden. And I'm telling you, he's gonna throw.
I thought he was going to toss corner.
Get it out. I play Madden. And I'm telling you, he's gonna throw it. Get out of there. But I'm still here. I know he's pissed right now. Give me that, and I'm pissing him off even more. Get on that roof. Hey! Woo! Give me that. Beat that cat with a dog. Ball game. He only had 8 points, 10 turnovers. I had 11 steals. Like, why you gotta act like this?
Give me that.
Shaq,
Beat
it's
that
halftime.
cat with
I'm
a
finna
dog. Buddy, beat that cat with a dog. Beat that cat with a dog. Bryce Holden. In theory, we could buy here. Yeah, see, in theory, we could buy here. Yeah. In theory, if this ends up pulling back, we could buy. I'm not going to. But that would be my entry. That would be my entry. Let's continue this. Okay. Right now, I'm under threat. But I'll put him under threat. What does he do? Does he take my piece? If he takes my piece, I just reclaim. And we're still in the same position. Put him under threat. Yeah. Because then on the flip side, if I push and he takes, I just slide over. Because now, yeah, I just slide over, take this pawn out. I like that idea. Sacrifice the rook for a knight. If we would enter, I mean, it's working out. It's working out. I'm gonna have to extend this now. Well, extend it to 40. So we will push. I'm creating a pass pawn. That's what I want to do. I still have to remember they're threatening me hard. So I can't just move freely. He's defending. Which means now this can start pushing. But now if I take, and then he takes, that's fine. Until he pushes. I think that's what I have to do though. Oh, I can defend this now. So getting my rook into it. The eagle levels came right back. Okay, I forgot. I got rid of this dark square bishop. I can get my king into the game. Get this rook into the game. Cause right now, this is just it's defended. Until he start pushing this. This is cutting off this square. So basically, he's trapping this pawn. And I can't trade. Do I attack this? I think I attack first. I think I force this move first. Now, if I attack this pawn, he has to keep his pawn defended, or we're creating pass pawns. Because somewhere a pass pawn is coming. It's either gonna be you or you. Because if I start moving this, he's gonna move this, cut this off. Eventually, keep pushing, break open. So I think I have to do this. Yeah. Moves over. Attack. Which now gives my king the ability to move. And now if I defend, oh my gosh. Oh. Dude. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, just give up backmate. Backmate. I knew I needed to move my king over. That was funny. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. A blunder. A goodie blunder. It's fun watching you struggle. Oh, it's funny. I don't know who Edith is. Defense con variation. Sicilian. Oh, she played a Sicilian defense. Okay. That's funny. Did you pray today? I kinda what it feel like. I got real eyes. Please for Christ, you like blood thing. You know blood. Yeah. That is not what I like. I gave my heart to the Lord. For real. I'm gonna keep on popping it. Tell my Ira call me up. Don't see me in May's holding. Right when you my last name. Yup. That's a good candle too. I just wanna cry. That's called all these small candles. I mean, it's looking like it might be like 11 o'clock by the time we get our move. But there's no telling Price was gonna just sell off of just buying. There was no telling. Who's that volume? The volume came back, but this is be 1, 2. This will be the third time Price has shown signs of EMA holding that support. There's no telling Price about to just crash. It was like the open. Let's see what open does. Now what I like, I am all to the Lord. I'm gonna keep on popping it. Tell my Abba call me up. Ain't nobody stopping it. That's what I want to get my last name. I just want to cry. Check that my mind. Never know my heart. I ain't trying to get by. Wow. That's that open. .2. ES is moving too. ES look worse than gold. Look at this. It's just so low volume. It's hard to even look at this. I need your words so I can bring them in mind. Well, we're gonna go back to 5 on ES. Not even. That's why. It's low volume. I need a game. I need a game. I need your love. I need your work. Now it's looking like, oh, selling the top was a good idea. Came back to 2, all the way down to 21. Selling the top was a good idea, but that wasn't our idea. Guys, look how much more room there is. Unfilled. Straight volume, so it's unfilled. It would never look at me. You there? And I'm not one to chase price, so if this goes back down, well, hold on. We have two options. We didn't get our sell, but price is still selling like we wanted. So we may be able to find another continuation sell. We end up breaking support, continue falling. It's possible. But also, price hasn't gone lower than this level, right? Yeah, price has been holding this level since last week. Is this 21st? Yeah, price has been holding this level since the 21st. It seems we're getting a rejection. I trusted in you. You was there. I knew. I call out to you. Yeah. Biggest candle yet, 11.2. Trust you. Only got the one, not two. Cause I trust in you. It's all these open sellers, which is causing this massive spike. That's why there was no build up or rejection candles. Is all these open sellers. Hit EMA.
God, you know I live for you. Every day, every way, living proof. Anything not like you, you remove. Connect to you and I'm bearing fruit. Connect to you, know I can see the root. Everything that I need, I found in you. You the king, you the source. You the major thing that I don't want to lose. I trusted in you. You was there, I knew.
Everything I did, I call out to God. Yeah. I pray for you, want me to change.
Maybe it was really cool time.
Lord, help me fix my gaze upon the cross. In me, nothing can be a loss. I put my face in the dust and declare you're holy. This is the race I run, you're the core before me.
You are holy. No weapon formed against me shall ever prosper. You are holy. You are for me. No weapon formed against me
so that I could be close and belong to thee. You paid the highest price on the cross to heal the sinner and to find the lost. When I'm in your presence, I stand in awe. Jesus, I live in that for your call. I wanted to die cause I felt like a wreck. I had no intentions of making it back. The enemy didn't stop with the attack, and that made me wonder where Jesus was at. But he came and proved he is God again, and told me that my life was in his hands. My holy God, you are such a friend. I fall on my face and declare, you are holy. Elohim, I shall die. You are for me. Elohim, Adonai. No weapon formed against me. Elohim, I shall die. Shall ever prosper. Elohim, Adonai. You are holy. Elohim, I shall die.
You are holy. Yeah,
Get exotic with it.
Man, I barely ever rap. When I do, I gotta eat. Coming straight out from the heart. Jesus' name all in my speech. I'ma always make a holy hit when AJ on the beat. I can't worry about the devil.
that doesn't matter. Damn, I'm not shooting.
I ain't had no peace when I was focused on the rules. Now I got Jehovah, he showed me all the proof. Cause I ain't believe a thing until I seen it with my
I seen it with my eyes. I walk away with
that
pride.
pride. The devil always tried to vibe. Wanted to get about that sin, but I was scared, I went to hide.
Now all that pain going on, I wonder why.
Jesus on my side, yeah, I sit next to Yeshua. I can't move wrong, that spirit ain't gon' mess me up. Too holy driven, I don't never need no test. I'm only speaking cause they say I don't express enough. The holy one up in my heart, I keep the sauce, no Polynesian. I was down, my friends gave bad advice, they knew I hardly needed. Really stuck all in my head, they didn't care, my heart was bleeding. Sat me down and tried to give me fake talks, man, this ain't Jerry Springer. Lord, shine your light on my life.
I will find what's so cold inside.
Oh, so blind, had to
Open my eyes.
promises made that I couldn't keep. Loose screwed and heavy, cause all my beliefs, all them dreams I couldn't reach. Yeah, my head gone, my
I might be closing the charts because
with myself to lift me up. I gave a speech.
price is just stuck on EMA. I mean, massive volume from open,
Give your life to Christ, don't care about what they say or what you heard. It don't
but it seems price is just sticking to this range and not gonna give me an entry. Yeah, I'm not staying here till 11.
trusting in. They so quick to leave ya. Never
Like I was thinking earlier, around this 9 o'clock, this should have been my entry to the 5 minute. Yeah, now the 5 minute is in the zone, but we just had a lot of sellers here, so we couldn't go through. So today just might not be the day.
problems building up, my Lord, you just gon' tie them all together. Yeah.
But now price is sold. Now it's holding EMA as resistance, selling back here. Gang line together, how to get my man right. Thoughts from the train tracks.
On my mind every night. Can't believe I made it back.
Some people don't make it back.
Can't believe I made it back. Some people don't make it back.
Now we left off, steps just checked off. 3, 2, 1.
On to something, this is lift off. I can't leave the world, yeah, still got a gift, I give it all. I was moving Peter Parker, I was really off the wall. I was really off the rails, I was really Tony Hawk. Demons tech, I'm standing tall, something like I'm Chris Bosh. I know that you paid it all, can't believe you did it all for me.
Please show me who you want me to be.
I can sit up in your presence forever. Every day, and I get better, better.
Yo, I've been saying time and time again, all because it's volume doesn't mean we just enter on volume. We gotta have a where, and then we gotta time it. Gotta make a way. I don't have another where besides up here, because besides up here, price has just been up and down, up and down. Yes, it's moved from up to down, but internally, just up and down. This could have been the only other where, buying here to here, because I had a high, I can't think of the word. I had a high. I had a strong feeling. I had a strong feeling that we was going to get back to this liquidity zone. So buying from here or here to take it back to here was a good idea. That's like the only other where we could have took. I could have took. But idea was this continued to here. This is a good idea. This continued to here. And gotta make a way. That was what I was hoping to get. This would have been my entry. This would have been my entry. Stop like this. Taking it back to this level would have been great. 18 points. Next level, 25. Final level, 40. What an insane trade if it played out. With myself now. But it doesn't seem like it's playing out. And it seems like it's selling again. Oh no. I'm gonna give it to the end of this song. I might just close. Actually, I'm gonna give it to 10 o'clock like normal. You see me? Shout out to everyone great one to me. God bless you when I bring me. Very close and then it's up for me. Yeah, I gotta let it hold me. I'm listening, man. Don't make sure. Pretty, but she still homie, she's still right. But I'ma just keep on praying. But I know that you got the skill, so don't worry. You just let go now. Now, I was spending all night sitting on the floor. Oh no, God come for me, don't get the call. Just can't keep holding me. Just can't keep holding me. Is this what? Try good, this shit won't take. Oh, that's the audio. Ah, okay. Dang, this is too many times. I had to let I'm holding on. Gotta take it. What am I gonna do with myself now? I was spending all night.
Lord, please could you break these chains? Your children need someone to cry on. Lord, please can you pave this way? No weapon formed against shall
Okay.
I drop on the floor with this knee. Cause Father, you're the king that I lie on. Lord, I'm trying. Give me your guidance. I scream cause I need you to. I'm on my knees, please. Break these chains off my brother's lives. Wipe those tears off my sister's cries. Your power and your glory got me singing like.
Okay, so yeah, I'm about to just close the charts. We've hit my target. We've gone from the high, hit my target without me. So what can happen here is break and retest, or we can continue going. But there's not much more for me to sit and wait for. It really sucks that we got so close. Got so close to an entry, but Price should give it to us. We got within 4 points to an entry. But today it held. Grab this liquidity. Held. So could have entered here. Rode down, but that's not what we're looking for. But anyways. Good stream. Good stream.